guys, it's Nick, and I'm here in Roosevelt Avenue, 74th Street in Jackson Heights at the Underground train station. And I am not lying when I say I can smell the curry from the Indian food from here. So if you don't believe me, come down here and stand right here and you can smell the curry in the air. So let's go take a walk and see what's going on in Little India. I haven't been here in like a year, since last November. So if you come down here and you don't know which way to go when you come out of the train, just follow the smell of curry because it's getting stronger and stronger. And I guess here's the first place right here. You can smell that. So here we are, and I didn't show these places in other videos, but there's also some Indian food places along Broadway here, like over here and down the street over there. And I was riding here late at night, and those places over there are open really late as well. So it's not just 74th Street, it's the few streets around it as well. And so there's the elevated 74th Street, the 7 train up there. And so let's see if my favorite Indian buffet places are still open. Because last time I came here, I think they were all closed, or they weren't allowed to do buffet because of the pandemic and stuff like that. So I wonder if they've lightened up on that restriction for buffets. I don't know what this thing is, but I don't know. So here's 74th Street. There's a train station. There's Roosevelt Avenue right there, and this is Little India. So the buffet places, most of them are across the street here. You got New Nepali Kitchen. From what I understand, there's a lot of, I think, Bangladesh over here as well now. I don't know what happened here, but it looks like maybe there was a fire. Huh. Interesting. Wow. We still got these Indian gold stores here. Okay, Jackson Diner. I don't see the buffet. Yeah. Looks like Jackson Diner is not buffet anymore. That sucks. Check out these. Chana Mango Malai, Pineapple Chum Chum, Rose Chum Chum, Kadam Kheer. This place is new. You can buy a sari and get some pastries too while you're at it. So man, a lot of jewelry stores. Looks like there's more than last time. So that one place, Jackson Diner, was a good buffet, and now it looks like it's only takeout or sit down, no buffet. So I guess they don't allow it. And man, this place also, that was a buffet place last year. There was 3 of them on this side of the street, Jackson Diner and 2 other ones. Now it's just Jackson Diner and no other ones, but more jewelry stores. Wow. This is crazy. So I don't know, man. It's not the same. It looks like the only real reason to come here is if you want to buy some Indian jewelry, some Indian clothes, some Indian bakery sweets and stuff like that. But in terms of Indian buffets, it looks like that's kind of a dead issue now. So let's go take a look at the Indian grocery over there, if it's still there. Vegetarian restaurant. There's a Colombian restaurant over there now. The Bazaar Farmers Market is still here. And some other Mama's restaurant. So that's what's going on down here in Jackson Heights, in Little India. Let's see what's going on the next block over there. Okay, I think there's some restaurants over here. Afghan Kebab and Grill. Never eaten there.
Eddie's.
And this is just a regular sit-down restaurant. It's not a buffet. So guys, that's it. I'm kind of disappointed. No more Indian buffet down here. We still have Indian restaurants you can take away or sit down or whatever, but the buffets look like they're all gone. So that's what's going on down here. You can still come down here and check it out. Hope you like this one. I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching, guys.